The 2005 View. The View is stylish outside, while inside is a versatile cabin that offers several alternatives for hauling people or cargo. The interior is attractive and European in styling, modern and classy, with comfortable seats, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, bucket seats, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, cloth seats, front disc rear drum brakes, driver vanity mirror, remote trunk release, power outlet, privacy glass, passenger vanity mirror, steel wheels, pass-through rear seat. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.